Hi, my name is Boas and I'm your Snowcountry guide. I'm going to walk you through the process of waxing your own snowboard or splitboard. A properly waxed snowboard not only enhances your speed and your board control, it also makes you turn better and extends the life of your board. When you also want to tune your edges, make sure to do this first. We linked a video in the description of how to do so. When you're waxing your snowboard, do this in a well-ventilated area and make sure you protect the floor because you will probably going to spill some wax. Make sure your board is completely stable and flat. We advise you to remove the bindings. We are using these special snowboard vices, but you are free to use whatever you want as long as the snowboard is stable. If you're waxing your splitboard, make sure to wax them in two separate parts. For your wax job, you will need the following tools: wax, a waxing iron, a scraper, a nylon brush, a copper brush, and a brush made out of horsehair. On the Snowcountry website, we offer you to create your own package. We link the product page in the description. There is wax in a variety of different temperatures. You can choose between different types of wax to get the best result for different snow conditions. Step 1. Cleaning the base. There are many different base cleaners on the market, such as this base cleaner spray. But the best way to clean your base is hot waxing, because you will remove the most dirt out of the pores. First of all, we brush up our base with this copper brush to open and clean the pores. Always make sure to brush from tip to tail. Now you want to heat up your waxing iron to the suggested temperature of the wax. This is usually indicated on the packaging on the wax. You want to heat up your wax and drip it evenly over your base. The next step is to spread out the wax with your iron. We move the waxing iron over the base to spread the wax. This way, the wax will soak into the pores. When the wax is drying, immediately scrape off the wax with a plastic scraper. In most cases, you will see some dirt coming out of the pores. Now we have cleaned the base, you are ready for step 2, applying the wax layer. Open up the pores again with the copper brush, like we did in step 1. And make sure you do it from the tip to tail in one direction. Now we heat up the iron to the suggested temperature of the wax. Spread the wax with the iron over the complete length of the base. Move the waxing iron slowly from the front to the back and make sure that it's evenly spread and soaked into the pores. Now the wax is applied and it needs to rest for at least 30 minutes to harden, but longer is even better. And that gives us time for a nice cup of coffee. We gave the wax enough time to harden and to get in the pores. We are now ready for step 3, scraping the base layer. Always use a plastic scraper and make sure it's sharp. Scrape the remaining wax of your snowboard until a very thin film of wax is remaining. And make sure to scrape from nose to tail. And make sure your edges are completely wax free by using the side of the scraper. Step 4. Brushing the base. We start with a nylon brush and brush over the base from nose to tail. Repeat this process with a brush made out of horsehair. Horsehair is even thinner, so the wax gets smoother and it enhances drainage. And again, do this from the nose to the tail in one direction. You should now have a smooth and shiny base. The more you repeat these 4 steps, the longer your wax job will last and the better the glide performance will be. And this is how you wax your own snowboard or splitboard. You are now ready to hit the slopes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and enjoy the mountains.